How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to the Instagram application, log in with your account details. Click on your profile icon and click on three lines at the top right corner. Go to Meta Account Center. Now here to delete your account under account setting, simply go to personal detail. Go to ownership and click on deactivation. Choose your Instagram account, click on delete account, provide a reason, click on continue. After that, here in privacy on Instagram, again click on continue. Provide your password and then you will be able to successfully delete your account after 30 days. So within this 30 days, if you do not log in with your account details, your account will be permanently deleted. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.